Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create realistic green tone in Snapseed. And here's how it is done. Step 1. Open your image. Launch Snapseed and tap Open to select a photo with greenery. Step 2. Adjust basic tones with Tune Image. Tap Tools, Tune Image, and adjust the following settings. Brightness, plus 10 to plus 30, enhance natural light. Contrast, minus 10 to plus 10, balance depth. Saturation, plus 20 to plus 40, boost overall color. Ambience, plus 30 to plus 50, enhance details in greens. Shadows, plus 10 to plus 30, restore lost details in dark areas. Tap check to apply. Step 3. Enhance green tones with curves. Tap Tools, Curves, and follow the steps. Select Green Channel and slightly lift the midtones for more vivid greens. Select Blue Channel and slightly lower the highlights to add warmth. Keep the red channel neutral to maintain color balance. Tap check to confirm. Step 4. Use Selective Tool for targeted color editing. Tap Tools, Selective. Tap on green areas, trees, grass, plants, and adjust. Saturation, plus 30 to plus 50, make greens pop. Contrast, plus 10 to plus 20, add depth. Brightness, plus 5 to plus 15, adjust exposure. Repeat for different green areas and tap check to apply. Step 5. Add depth with HDR Scape, optional. Tap Tools, HDR Scape. Select Nature and adjust. Filter strength, plus 20 to plus 40, boost textures. Saturation, plus 10 to plus 20, enhance greens. Step 6. Final adjustments and export. Use Vignette to subtly darken edges for a professional look. Tap Export and save your enhanced realistic green tone image. And that's everything you need to know about how to create realistic green tone in Snapseed. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.